Each year, more than 45 million frozen pizzas are consumed around the world. To meet this massive demand, factories must process tons of ingredients every day. But how are frozen pizzas actually made? To find out, let's head to the United States, the world's leading producer and consumer of frozen pizza, and visit one of its factories. Frozen pizza traces its origins back to the 1950s, when flash freezing technology began gaining traction in the food industry. In that context, pioneering companies like the Celentano brothers saw an opportunity to preserve ready-to-eat pizzas, keeping them fresh and extending their shelf life. However, it was in the 1960s when frozen pizza truly took off, thanks to brands like Tombstone and Totino's, which introduced pre-cooked and frozen pizzas to the American market. These innovative options offered a quick and convenient meal solution for families, becoming an instant hit among consumers with increasingly fast-paced lifestyles. Today, the production of frozen pizza has reached industrial levels that were once unimaginable. So how exactly does the process work inside a frozen pizza factory? Mass production of pizza begins with industrial mixers that combine flour, water, yeast, and other ingredients in exact proportions. These powerful machines can handle up to 200 kilograms of ingredients at a time, creating a smooth, consistent dough. Once ready, the dough is transported via automated conveyors to different stations throughout the facility, where advanced systems divide it into uniform portions ready for the next stage of production. At this point, the dough portions are collected in large volumes and moved through a network of conveyors and automatic elevators. Some portions go through a fermentation period, allowing the yeast to activate and giving the dough better texture and flavor. Others move directly to automatic pressing stations, where specialized hydraulic arms apply just the right amount of pressure to shape them into pizza bases with even thickness and those signature raised edges. This ensures that every base meets the same standard of quality and appearance, a crucial factor in mass production. In another shaping method, the dough isn't formed into balls but rolled into large sheets and passed through precision cutting machines. This system, similar to the one used in cookie manufacturing, allows factories to create pizza bases of various shapes and sizes with maximum efficiency. Regardless of the method, each stage is carefully designed to optimize production while maintaining product quality before baking and freezing. As the dough sheets move down the production line, rotary pressing machines descend with precise force to cut each pizza base with exact millimeter-level consistency. The rhythmic, synchronized motion of these machines ensures that every base has the same size and shape, providing uniformity across the entire batch. This method maximizes efficiency without sacrificing quality, allowing factories to produce high volumes of pizza bases that are perfectly shaped and ready for toppings. With the dough now shaped and ready, the automated process continues to the ingredient application phase. First, precision dosing systems pour the exact amount of tomato sauce onto each base. Depending on the production line, this can be done using distribution rollers or specialized mechanical arms, ensuring even coverage without excess or missed spots. Next come the ingredients that give each pizza its character. High-precision dispensers distribute meats, vegetables, and other toppings with carefully calculated amounts, guaranteeing that every pizza has a balanced mix of flavors and textures. Thanks to these automated systems, the quantity of toppings remains consistent across each batch, reducing waste and ensuring the final product's quality. Finally, the finishing touch: shredded cheese. Specialized machines sprinkle a generous and even layer of cheese over each pizza, precisely calibrated to deliver the ideal texture once baked. This step ensures that every bite has the perfect combination of sauce, toppings, and melted cheese, creating a delicious experience in every slice. To ensure long-term preservation and make it easier to distribute frozen pizzas to distant markets, the pizzas go through a rapid freezing process. This procedure takes place in high-speed freezing tunnels or industrial freezers, where the packaged pizzas are exposed to extremely low temperatures within minutes. This quick freezing prevents the formation of large ice crystals, preserving the texture, flavor, and overall quality of the ingredients during storage and transport. In most cases, frozen pizzas are not pre-cooked. They are kept raw so that the consumer can bake them at home. However, there are exceptions. Some factories choose to partially pre-bake the pizzas in conveyor belt ovens. In this system, pizzas move continuously through a cooking tunnel where they are exposed to controlled temperatures, ensuring that the crust becomes firm without fully browning. Once frozen, the pizzas are automatically transferred to the packaging section through smart conveyor belts. These belts are equipped with sensors that regulate the pizza flow, preventing jams and ensuring smooth movement. When the pizzas reach the packaging area, high-speed wrapping machines seal each unit in its final packaging, whether it is a protective plastic wrap or a cardboard box. In the past, this part of the process posed challenges. Wrapping machines were not fast enough to keep up with large-scale production. To solve this issue, major factories implemented a smart distribution system. This system uses 3 packaging arms that work simultaneously to maintain a steady flow of pizzas ready for shipment. But what happens if one of these machines fails? That is when an automated backup solution comes into play. If one of the 3 arms fails, the system automatically redirects the pizzas to a 4th backup arm, preventing any production delays. And if 2 arms fail at the same time, the system includes a temporary storage belt at the end of the line. This belt holds the pizzas in place and automatically redistributes them to the available arm once the issue is resolved. Thanks to this advanced technology, factories can maintain a constant production rhythm, ensuring that every pizza reaches supermarkets in perfect condition without unnecessary delays. In the next phase of the process, the frozen pizzas move to the shrink wrapping machine, where they are covered with protective plastic film. This step not only keeps the products safe from contamination and preserves freshness, but also prevents the ingredients from shifting during storage and transport. To ensure food safety, the wrapping machine includes a built-in metal detector, capable of identifying any foreign particles that might have been accidentally trapped in the pizza. Before leaving this stage, each pizza passes over a control scale that precisely checks its weight and structure. This guarantees that consumers always receive the exact amount promised on the label. Since pizzas contain perishable ingredients like cheese and meat, the wrapping machine is designed to meet strict hygiene standards, allowing for regular cleaning cycles to maintain optimal sanitary conditions. Once shrink-wrapped, the pizzas move to the final packaging area, where the last stage of the process takes place. Here, the factory uses a high-speed system that combines individual carton boxing with bulk packaging into shipping cases. First, the pizzas are placed into the classic frozen pizza cartons using an end-load cartoner. This machine is equipped with one of the fastest rotary carton feeders in the industry, capable of processing up to 300 boxes per minute, ensuring a steady and efficient production flow. The final step is the packing of these boxed pizzas into transport cases, where 15 pizzas are grouped together. This is done using an automated case packer, which stacks and arranges each pizza with precision inside the boxes, optimizing space and ensuring the products remain protected during shipping and handling. This system offers great flexibility in packaging styles, allowing pizzas to be packed in open trays, lidded trays, or fully sealed cartons, depending on the needs of the distributor. Following the industry's strict hygiene standards, both the cartoner and the case packer are designed to ensure maximum cleanliness, with materials and processes that allow for easy cleaning and reduce any risk of contamination. Thanks to this combination of advanced technology and rigorous quality control, frozen pizzas reach the consumer in perfect condition, ready to enjoy at any moment. And that is the full process behind the mass production of frozen pizzas. What do you think about it? Let me know in the comments. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss our next video.